This is the Atomtech Mini Power Bank, a 1 amp output power bank. Very, very small, very lightweight, easy to carry with you. 3,000 milliamp hours. So not a huge power bank, but small in size, get you what you need to do. We'll charge your phone once or twice. Let's take it out of the box and show you what it looks like and show you how small it is. Comes with a charging cable. So you have, that is micro USB to USB-A. We have, and it just pops out of here. And this thing, look at that, size of your hand. Very small. Unlock your tech. We have a power button here. It's fully charged already. We have a micro, we have a USB-C, and we have a USB-A. They aren't, I don't see that they're labeled. So I guess all three would work. Let's see what the box says. Box says micro is input and then output USB. So it looks like the micro input, this is to charge it here. And then you have a USB-C or USB-A output. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty small. It's pretty lightweight. It can fit in your pocket. I mean, it weighs nothing at all. You don't even know you have it. So I think this is a great little thing to have. I'm going to carry this around to power a little camcorder that takes USB to power. Also to charge my phone in an emergency. And it takes about 3.5 hours to charge this. So I highly suggest you pick one of these up. They're very small, very lightweight. Throw it in your pocket, throw it in your purse, and you're good to go. And you always have power for your digital devices.